Transform your bedroom ceiling with Pop Plus Minus design. Welcome to our informative guide on Pop Plus Minus designs for bedroom ceilings, where we explore the magic of plaster of Paris in transforming your personal sanctuary. Understanding Pop Plus Minus designs is key to elevating your bedroom's aesthetic appeal. They offer a dynamic interplay of raised and recessed surfaces. These designs are especially favored for their ability to add depth and dimension, creating a more spacious feel without overwhelming the room. For minimalist lovers, a simple minus pattern can create a sleek look, effortlessly blending with modern decor styles and enhancing the room's serenity. Those seeking a bolder look can embrace intricate plus designs, which add sophistication and a touch of grandeur to your bedroom setting. The versatility of Pop allows for seamless integration of lighting options, enhancing both functionality and ambience in your personal space. Recessed lighting within these designs not only highlights the ceiling features but also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Soft, diffused lighting complements Minus designs by adding subtle elegance, while focused lighting accentuates the dramatic features of plus patterns. Color choices also play a pivotal role. Neutral tones provide a calming effect, while bold colors can make the ceiling a standout feature. Incorporating textures or patterns can further personalize your ceiling, offering a unique touch that reflects your style and taste. A well-executed Pop Plus Minus design can increase the room's perceived height, enhancing the overall spatial dynamics. We hope this inspires you to reimagine your bedroom ceiling, transforming it into a stunning focal point that harmonizes with your decor.